What's going on, YouTube world? Making a quick video update on ACB. It's actually one of my most viewed videos that I last did. And that's when I was explaining to everybody that I was averaging down in order to get a better share price, to get a better return. And I was anticipating a pop because of election. And all those things happen. And that's what we're here to show. I'm here to show you. Green dot whisper, about to whisper some green dots. We have our Telegram group, Wolf of Wall Streets. It's now closed, guys. If you didn't get in, you didn't get in. Told everybody to get in. Now you got to pay. You got to pay to play now. You know. So we're gonna do $20 a monthly subscription. It's we're gonna lower it $15 for the first 100 customers. So it's gonna be $15 a month. So let us know if you want to be part of that. We give out trading ideas, stocks ideas. I tell you exactly what trades I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm looking at, and I post my profits and my actual numbers and everything. So I'm very transparent in that group. Post losses and gains. You know, we're just talking about Forex, talking about swing trades, gold, oil. It's an entire investment community. Definitely worth it. But so let's get down to work. Let's get down to business, because you know ACB did some beautiful things. We're looking at the month chart here, and right now I have the entire lifespan of ACB on the chart, on the month chart. So let's see what we're looking at. So when it started, little baby ACB, it was actually at around the price that we're at now, $5.37. That's the very beginning. And I told you already in the last video, if you didn't watch that, go ahead and watch that first so you could relate to what I'm talking about now. And then, so it went up from the conception where kind of where we're at. Like I said, 3 something, and then it ran all the way up to $142. So 142, that's insane. So then it proceeded to die, like I said in the first video, 80% knockoff. And here we got a little green hope, little candle of hope over here. And we got a green dot over here finally. So, well, we've been had that in June, but it's actually starting to curve up and actually starting to trend up. So you see over here how it went up. Then we got that big 80% dip. That's that 80% dip right here. And this is a pivotal point. This is like, it's turning time. This is time to go all the way up. Feel me? I mean, look at the RSI. This is at a 29 level. No, hold on. That's wrong. Yeah, 32.5, a little bit of hair over that. But still, great value. You're at the bottom. You know, you're getting a cheap company. When it was at $124 or 100 and what, 140 something, look at it. It was way oversold, broke down. You got when you're buying now, you're getting all this discount. It's gonna shoot up again with legalization and everything. You'll be up here again. It's gonna take time. You're gonna have to be patient, but it's getting interesting now. At least it's not a dead, stagnant stock like it was before. Now it actually has some volume behind it. It's going to actually do something. So here you could tell Aurora went up for what? From November 2nd till pretty much the 16th. So like 2 weeks. It went up for 2 weeks straight almost. Let's see. All right, this is down in the business right here. This is what matters. You ready to dig in? Because this is where everything is at. This is present day. This is what's happening. All right. So we bought, when I made the first videos, we was at the first earnings, right? So I was predicting the pop over here. Didn't quite happen. It happened over here after the election, after the vice president said that they were going to decriminalize it on a federal level in the US. So after she said those words, this insanity happened right here. It ran, just kept running. I kept waking up to my phone to more money, more money. I'm talking about thousands. At the peak, at the very top, I made like $8,000. I didn't cash it out. I'm still holding it. I want more. Now with all the news and everything, I believe it could do a lot better. So I added my resistance and support line. All right, resistance is sitting at $10.56, and support is $6.28. So this is kind of your play area right here. This is where we're trading now. And so after this big run, now it's consolidating. This right here is what you would call a bull flag. It didn't quite break down, so we're not seeing a drop down. If it start touching that $6.28 and it breaks past this support level, then we might experience some lower levels down here. But as long as we stay consolidated here and we get some uptrends, maybe a green dot somewhere around here, then that's awesome, because I feel like we're going to double top this or just break through it. So if it's a double top, then that's going to be more confirmation that this is a ceiling for it. But I don't think we've seen the ceiling yet. I think it might break this support line. So resistant line, I mean, sorry, I got it confused, but it's gonna break the resistant line. But if it breaks, we're off and running again. We might experience something like this, but until then, we don't know how long this is going to consolidate, because ACB likes to play around with us and consolidate for the longest time, So, but at least this gives me hope, tells me that it's going to be very reactive to news. I like that it reacted the most out of all. I mean, it was the hardest hit out of all marijuana companies, but it also reacted the most, which I'm happy for. I broke even. I actually could have unburied it and made profit on this, but like I said, I'm holding out for further news, further legalization. So ACB, is it time to buy yet? No, it's not. There's no confirmation now. Now, like I said, it's going to consolidate. You look how straight line this is right here. It's going to consolidate, and it might do that for a while. And the only time we're going to know when to buy is when we're going to get our green dot, and if we see it dip further. So I think we're going to get it soon, though, because even here you've seen a little green candle is trying to break out, well, trying to like push up. I mean, the top of this bull run that we just had, based off the news and 5 different states legalizing in the US recreationally, and New Jersey being one of them, $14.37 was the peak for this last run. So I would have made I would have made like $8,000 profit on that one. I did see it on it. Actually, not would have. I saw it. I have the picture for it. I took a screenshot of how much I was making. So but yeah, and I sent it to the group. The group knows how much I made. I showed it. I was super excited. Every single day I was waking up, taking a different screenshot. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna trade this. This is gonna be my best trade. I have so much invested into it. I've waited with it so long. I've been patient, and finally patience is gonna pay off, especially if this is the new cycle. This is the beginning. Over here on the month chart, like I showed you before, this is at the bottom. This could be the key turning point to a beautiful new industry. So ACB, not a buy yet. It's still playing around with us. We need to wait for green dot confirmation. I'll let you guys know. Give me a hit on the like button, subscribe, motivate me to pump out this content, because it does take a lot of work, So let me tell me, hey, John, I need to hear more about ACB. What about this? What about APHA? Hit me on the comments below. Let me know. Put me to work. I'm here to serve the people, But ACB is definitely something I have my own money invested into, a whole lot of money invested into it. So definitely, if you guys want to explore ACB, I'd be willing to do it every day. I just need a hit on that like button and subscribe. Let's check out APHA for you guys. Like I've said before, I like APHA better. It's just didn't invest thousands of dollars into it when I should have. So I kind of let it go, and I concentrated on pulling ACB outside because I had to use the extra capital average down. But APHA is a great company, and I know a lot of people I recommended it to actually bought it. So I have to do my due diligence and stand behind the product that I said is a good product. This one's been running opposite of ACB. It hasn't consolidated. Look at it. It didn't have as big as it jumped the last time, and it won't because it's actually at a real price. It didn't get hit as bad as ACB did, but it still has its run, and it's actually been running. ACB is looking to get a green dot because it's been falling. APHA is actually going to do the opposite or keep running if ACB runs. But it hit a ceiling. So yeah, these companies, a lot of the new investors came in, saw the big run and started buying. Everybody went into a buying frenzy. It's the media, man. Don't listen to the media. Listen to the charts. Listen to this. I've been preaching this, and this is always hit. You go check every single one of my videos. Every single one that I called out has made me money, is in profit. None of them failed. I'm not saying that I get them all right. I get some things wrong, but even when I get them wrong, it's the stock market. Like you're only at a loss when you sell. So if I average down at very low entries, sniper entries, and I'm catching every green dot, I'm going to pull that stock out no matter what. So even my losses, I turn into winners, because ACB used to be a loss, and now it's my potential biggest winner. So you see how that works. Guess I'm done preaching for the night. You guys have to wait. Don't catch the falling knife. Don't buy the hype after it's been hyped up. You got to do it when the green dot whisperer says it's time. Or learn the charts and learn how to trade. I'm going to start making more videos. Again, if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to break down every single thing you see on this chart and all that. All right, guys, check out the first video, like I said, and I wish you guys more money. Let's get it.